Gearing up for another day of fun.
Fun, she says.
We're getting the pigs moved today. Exciting stuff, because then they won't make such a dirtball mess in the barn. So this is Joey's new doghouse.
What?
What?
You know, that's where one post needs to go, and then we'll move it up to here. So then they'll have a 32 by 16 pen, and we'll put the sprinkler on like a post here. That way they can have their wallows and rip it up and do whatever and not become bacon before they become bacon.
I like it.
Yep.
Action.
Oh, you didn't say cut before, so I was still talking. Anyways, we're gonna cheat and use the skid loader to drive these posts in, hopefully.
I support that.
Hell with the post pounder.
Bending it.
Huh?
It's bending it. Go forward a little bit if you can. Slowly but surely it's going
For some
in.
reason I'm a little gun shy. It's gonna snap off and break my window.
Weird. Hello, pretty girl. How are you? How's it going? You're gonna be able to watch the pigs make a mess out here. They won't be able to break in by you? Oh, maybe. Gracie's never safe. Huh, pretty girl? Hi. Here's your babies. Y'all sleeping? What a cheater. It's not straight, but it's in, so it'll do. Looks good.
No.
Right where my toe is. Right, yep, just drive her on in. That's what she said. Buff out. Round two. Oh. forward a little if you can.
What?
I'm gonna say come forward just a little if you can. It's pretty straight. They're pretty nice. They're pretty nice in there. The pigs kind of like it.
That might be the safer way to do it.
Oh, it went in easier.
Oh yeah, there's not as much spring.
Alright, got all the posts up. It is not straight at all, but you know, it'll do. It'll do for the pigs. Joy's gonna move the last hut back over. So we'll have Peter on that side and then Petunia on this side. And then I think when Petunia gets closer to Farrowing, we'll probably either move her back in the barn or figure out a new plan just to keep her and her piglets safe. Ready for the fun part?
Yeah, I found a new piece of wire.
Nice.
Paid 50 cents there. This isn't for you, Sassy.
Hey, do you need help?
No.
I'm here to help.
I do not need help. Sorry to break the news to you, Sass. You're not going to fit in all time.
She can try. Just a big grass puppy. You stay there, okay? Hello? That's how deep they sleep. Oh. Hi, Petunia.
Wasn't sure Peter was sleeping.
Is he breathing?
Huh?
Is he breathing?
Yeah. One day he broke in with Sass. He was being right in the doorway. She beat the crap out of him. I thought he was dead.
Peter! Peter! Peter? Hello? I'm a little too good. Petunia. Still waiting for Peter to wake up. Whew. Is that a good nap? Should we go explore your new home? Yeah. What are you doing? Boop. Oh. I don't want to wake up. Come on, let's go see your new home. Huh? Yeah. Oh, yep. Up. Oh. Oh. You'll get over it. Stretch it out. This way. Shall I use your girlfriend? Cutie. Hey, cutie. Where's house? Oh, oh, so scary! You're so scary! Oh, Petunia, come on. He's making you a mud pit. You're gonna be so excited. Let's try this again. Shut that this time. Okay, let's go back outside. There's all the leftover green. Zoe! Zoe! Oh! Come on. Come on. Huh? Stuck. Is it nice, Grace? Plastic, her favorite. We're not eating Gates. Come on, Peter. Sassy's just living her best life. Come on, go see the water. A little dry, eh?
A little bit.
Sassy, sorry to say your field trip has come to an end. I'll get you some hay. Can I help you? Oh yeah, Petunia. Refreshing. Time to go to your side. Oh boy. Oh. Feels so good though.
You put the post in crooked.
Weird. Looks good to me. Blame it on the pigs. They're gonna make it all crooked anyways. What are you doing?
Hiding.
Right. It's so good. It's so cold, but so good.
Check the temperature in here.
Is it nice?
Very nice.
Better hurry, Peter's gonna come out. Peter, behave.
You didn't staple that one or tie that one.
I told you I didn't do any of these middle ones because I didn't know what our plan was. Did you not bring enough wire?
Bobby.
Oh yeah, nice little mud bath. What you doing, Peter? It's like a dog shaking his leg. It's like your new home? You gonna break out? Probably. That's okay. One minor adjustment to the pig spa. Oh, that mist feels so nice. We're inquiring minds. Our sprinkler wouldn't fit on that post. But it's too heavy on Petunia's side over there, so this'll do, maybe. I was looking at the pretty sunset. Can you see your arm? Hi, Gracie.
Not very, can't see it.
Oh, it doesn't look as bad now.
Ah! Wait!
Had our first, no. Had our first T-ball game. Did awesome. Except she caught a ball with her arm. She's good though, she's tough. Put ice pack on it, she's back in the game.
Mom.
The boys are up by the pigs, so we're gonna go check on them. No. No. What are you doing? Just hanging out? Should be getting home for the night. Run away. All my piggies are down here. Yo. What happened to your face? How's your new home, piggies? Ooh. Is it good, Petunia? Is it good? What do you think, Peter?
Why is it muddy all day?
Because the cows, the pigs can't sweat, so when it's muddy like this, they can roll around in it and stay cool.
No, why is that have more mud than that one?
Oh, she just has more muddy. There's some old hay there, but
Yeah.
he'll make himself comfortable.
Taking on my popcorn. Oh, don't eat those. Don't eat those.
Aki. I mean, you're dirty already, but I bet the piggies would like it.
Good.
Want some popcorn? Gracie, I'm not asking you. Here.
Mom, why is the pig's
Gracie.
Why is the pig's eyes closed?
She's fat. They're not close. It's just hard to see them. Yeah. Having fun?
You want popcorn? Can you say that? Me too.
That's him.
Oh, it's in now. That's fine.
Mm.
Come on, Mom. Let's go to the house.
Is it good?
Let's go to the house. Come on.
One more?
I'm going to the house.
Sassy. Sassers. No more popcorn? Oh, one time was good enough. How rude. Oh, jeez. Fucking ants. Do you have bug spray on?
Yeah.
Oh, that explains why they're only attacking me.
Yeah,
We're
but you're
gonna-
in cinema mode, so I'm just a blur. Hi, Quincy.
Alright, gonna call that the end of a video, eh?
Yeah, I'm pooped.
Productive data.
Very.
Okay, thanks for watching.